Here we go, we're on the way to the Skytree. Now we could have walked from the hotel, it said it was about 20 minutes, but we thought we'll get a taxi, we'll probably walk back to be honest. Maybe, Gina says. We're going to go right the way up the top there. So we just come in to go to the Skytree, and a little bit confusing, but you come up some escalators and you come into like a shop, and then I believe it's on the 4th floor from here. You have to then go up. So we're just going to find out where it is. Over this way? No, this way. So it feels a bit weird, but yeah, we walked through a supermarket area. So we're just walking around and we just looked up to see that's where we're going to go, up the top there. So we're just walking around now to go and pick up the, hopefully a very fast lift. But the sky, the views up there are meant to be stunning. So, can't wait. Exciting. Right, so we're at the ticket exchange. We're going to the machine now. So I'm just going to show you that. So there you go. Push that on there. And then just scan your QR code. One at a time. And that should be all the tickets. And they come out there. There you go. It's easy as that. Ta-da! So we're up at the Skytree. We're looking out now. We're at 350 meters. Wow. So guys, we are at the highest point of this sky tower. I don't know what it's called actually. 450 meters high. Look at this view. Right guys, so we're going to go on the glass floor. And we're going to look down. Look at that. That's so cool. Oh my god. We're going all the way down. So we've just had some dinner and come downstairs looking for an exit to go and get a taxi back to the hotel, and we sort of found this internal shopping bit, which has all been done for Halloween, which is cool. And it's the usual stuff. There's gift shops and jewellery, and I think I said that from the other street. It's good though. It's all indoors. You can get Japanese sweets. Very good. Oh look, shoes. There's a whole load of sweets. There's so many sweets everywhere. Oh look. Oh look. There's leather belts and bags. And there's fishies. Is it fishies? Little fishies. There's quite a lot of different shops here. Yeah, it's good. Really good. And this was in Skytree, isn't it? So Skytree is above what we just did. That was very high. What was the highest point?
450.
51.2 or something.
Yeah.
Was the highest point. I did take a picture of it just to prove that we were there and that high. And Scarlett.
So we're just back from Tokyo Skytree and it was brilliant. We had a wee meal over there. Apparently it is the tallest tower in the world. It's not the tallest structure, but it's the tallest tower. And it was pretty cool, wasn't it?
Yeah, we went up.
The meal was alright, it wasn't anything special. It was a good night, so we're off to bed now and we're going to be getting up very early in the morning, sending our luggage on ahead and heading for a tour of Mount Fuji.